Hello, good day. My name is Ashley Sulaiman. I graduated with the Bachelor of Science in Public Administration from Mindanao State University. Additionally, I earned 32 units of Bachelor of Science in Education major in English and 12 units of Master of Arts in Education major in Teaching English from Holy Trinity University. I am a licensed teacher and currently work as a public school teacher too at the Department of Education for almost 8 years. As a teacher, I have the privilege of teaching senior high school students in grades 11 and 12, handling English subjects such as English for academic and professional purposes, oral communication, practical research, reading and writing skills, and creative writing. In my role, I develop and implement lessons that help students build strong communication and critical thinking skills, which are essential for their academic success and future careers. My decision to work abroad is driven by my desire to expand my professional experience and grow personally. I believe that working in an international environment will allow me to enhance my teaching skills, engage with diverse cultures, and contribute to the global education community. I am excited about the opportunity to share my passion for teaching and learning in a new and dynamic setting. Thank you.